This is my drawing of Abby from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I'm going to show you all the steps I used in creating this character. So let's grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. And I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, and I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a smaller circle in the center of each eye. This is for the pupil. And just line that up on the right. And we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Let's give our character some lashes. On the top left side, bend around and up. Taper that back in towards the side of the eye, and we'll fill that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curl this up, and then back in, and then fill that in. Now we're going to move to the center of the face, step down and add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down, and then bend that up. Let's move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down underneath the nose and add another curve for the mouth. Now let's move up to the top and add in the hair. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's add that curl coming down the left side. We're going to start by going up, bend this down and in, bend this around the outside, come in, and then down. Let's add one over on the right side. Starting from the center, curl this around, and then in, and then again, going around the outside. We're going to go a little bit bigger, and then pull that down in the middle. Let's add a curl going out towards the side. So starting on the left, coming down around the eye and out, goes in, up, and then bend that in. Let's add one over on the right, coming down and out, coming in, and just pull that up towards the side. Now we're going to add one more curl around the outside. So stepping up here, bend this down and out, come in and up, round at the top, and just pull that down in the middle. Let's add a strand just poking up from the center towards the right, and then bend that back down. Let's work our way around the right side. We go up, come all the way around the outside, add a curl, and then just tuck that in towards the side. Now we're going to add the eyebrows in between the hair. Let's start on top of the left eye, curl this across, and then down. Line this up on the right. From the inside, just going to angle this up and then in. Just follow that curve going out towards the side. And I want to add a point going up and then back out. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside edge of the head, starting underneath the hair, goes around the eye, come down underneath the chin, round out the head, and just pull it up and then in on the right side. And now we're going to add in the ears. Let's start on the left. Start by going up, round out the ear, and then bend that back in, and we'll line it up on the right side, doing the same thing. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the hat. Starting from the inside of the ear, curl this around and up underneath the hair. And now we're going to draw the outside of the hat. Let's start on top of the ear. We're going to go around the hair, go up and then in towards the middle. Go round up the hat, come all the way around the right side, around that point, and then pull that in on top of the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, starting over on the left, bend this down and in towards the center, go out and then back up, and then we'll add the collar. From the top, angle the collar coming down and out, curves around and up underneath the head. Let's go out to the side and draw the body. We go out and then down towards the head. Now I want to connect the hips with a curve. We're going to add a little point in the center, coming down and in. So we're going to start with a little gap, go up and then down like an upside down V. And it'll connect these 2 points with a straight line. From that V, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go over toward the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up toward the left and right side. Now from the left side, we're going to curve the foot like a half circle. We're going to go up and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And I just want to curl this back up towards the inside of the leg. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going up and then down. And just curl that back up on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, bring this out and then down on top of the feet. And now I want to add some detail to the feet. We're going to start with a thick sole across the bottom. So we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a toe cap. From the left side, bend this in and then down. And then halfway along this curve, we're going to bend this up and then in towards the top of the feet. Inside this area, you're going to split the laces with 2 curves. And then on top of the foot, we're going to add the shoe tongue. We're going to do a half circle going up and then back down. I'm going to add a tear on the left leg. We're going to go up and then down, go back to the left side, come down and then up. And one small minor detail, we're going to add the pockets along the side of the pants. We're going to start from the top, bend this down and then out. Now that we completed the legs, let's move up and draw on the body. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start right here, bend the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and then out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down. Let's add the second finger, going out and then bending that up. Now the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm. So we're going to go out, bend this all the way up, and then tuck that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, draw on the second, now the third. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go all the way up towards the top, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's go to the top of the arm and add the sleeve. We're going to add a curve, going up and then out, and then we'll line that up on the right. Now I want to simplify the pattern of those flowers across the shirt. So we're going to start from the left sleeve. We're going to add a series of curves going around and then up. Let's add one along the inside of the left collar. Just drawing that same shape, going around, and then along the bottom left side. Now we're going to work our way across towards the right. Let's start from the side of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Abby from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.